Oh, hi there. Yeah, it's another day. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. What do we got? Well, one thing I absolutely detest is the concept of salad for dinner. Salad just never fills me up. I'm sorry. Chef's salad, Caesar salad, whatever salad just doesn't work. Except for this. So, we're making a Greek salad country style. Oh yeah. So, what do we got? Well, Greek salad, we got the basics. Tomatoes, onions, cucumber. Use good tomatoes. Use Romas or use cherry tomatoes. Do not use pink waterlogged beefsteaks. Otherwise, you're just wasting your money. Regular cucumber, peel it, slice it. Half an onion. Okay, a little bell pepper. That's new. How about some capers? That's kind of new. And of course, you got to do black olives. But you got to have protein, you know? So, a little bit of crumbled goat cheese ought to do the trick. And most importantly, hard-boiled eggs. Yeah, that is not a traditional Greek salad. Dressed with olive oil and red wine and oregano and salt. Yeah, a good dinner is that easy. The hardest part was boiling the eggs. You got to pierce the shell, boil them for 8 minutes, and then pray that they come out okay. Some of them came out a little creative looking, but that'll eat just fine. So, Greek salad country style. Onions, cucumbers, and tomatoes, standard issue. Green bell peppers, ooh, black olives, capers, goat cheese, such as feta, or in this case we have just crumbled goat cheese, eggs, oregano, in this case I'm lucky enough to have some fresh oregano, olive oil that costs too much, of course, red wine vinegar, and most of all, a good bread to go with it. So, dinner. Yeah, every once in a while dinner is that easy. We got an even easier recipe coming up here pretty soon, so stay tuned. So, this is social media. Please be social and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.